Thank you, President. Presidents of the Commission and the Council, what happened in Ankara is shameful. President Michel's indifference at the first female president of the Commission being snubbed was outrageous. But the real reason the incident happened in the first place is that the institutions that President von der Leyen and Michel represent have lost their moral compass, and dictators like Erdogan or Putin know it. What were you doing in Turkey only weeks after they had withdrawn from the Istanbul Convention anyway? Why this zest to befriend an authoritarian regime that represses opposition, prosecutes minorities and humiliates women? Today, in Ankara, a farce trial has started that seeks to keep 108 political prisoners, elected representatives like Mr. Demitras, in jail for life in an open defiance of the ECR. When will you say enough is enough?
Grazie.
Thank you.
It's